Do you like Bloody Marys, friend? Well, I have a bloody for you, okay? The Flaming Hot Cheetos Bloody Mary. Now watch this. We get Flaming Hots, we put those in our bottle. Come behind up with a tad bit of vodka, okay? Shake, 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 allow an infusion to take place. Okay, now we muddle some Flaming Hot Cheetos. So we rim our glass with lime, stick it in so you could have a Flaming Hot Cheetos rim, huh? Have you ever had a rimmed Flaming Hot Cheetos? No, you have not. Ice in our glass, and we can come behind that now with our vodka infusion, some tomato juice, and now we gotta get in our Bloody Mary mixes. Lime juice, okay? Worcestershire sauce, let me hear you say it. Worcestershire, Tabasco. You could put in horseradish if you want, celery salt, regular salt, all those things. However you mix your Bloody Marys at this point, that's what you put in. A drop of celery, a little lime on the side. Now, here's the thing. We come in with our Flaming Hot Cheetos upside down on a lime. Stay tipsy.